Hello, and welcome to another great, amazing book show. Today's story...
Nannette's Baguette, Words and Pictures by Mo Willems. That must be Nanette, and that must be the baguette. Look at all those baguettes.
Before you go anywhere, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe.
Nannette's Baguette. They're little frog people. Nannette must be a frog. Here's the pharmacy, the grocery, the bakery, and a little frog man, a little frog baby boy. Although he's a tadpole. He's got a little tail. Look at all those little babies. Oh, they are frogs. Look at the tiny little babies all in. Oh, so cute. And there's a little baby with a hat. That's the bakery with the baguette. Let's see what happens. Nannette! Today is a day Nannette won't soon forget. Today in the kitchenette, Mom tells Nannette that Nannette gets to get the baguette. So excited. Look, there's Grandpa Frog. Baguettes are warm. Baguettes smell wonderful. Getting to get the baguette is Nannette's biggest responsibility yet. Is Nannette set to get the baguette? You need to have money. And you need to cut some cheese from the cheese plate. Frogs don't eat cheese. I guess these frogs do. You bet! There's her coin to go and buy a baguette. She is on her way. But on the way, Nannette sees Georgette and Suzette and Brett with his clarinet. Brett is a tadpole, so he has a tail. Look! There's Mr. Barnett with his pet Antoinette. His pet fly.
Don't frogs eat flies?
Nannette pets Antoinette. Did Nannette forget the baguette? Oh no! Got a jet! I've got a baguette to get, says Nannette to the quartet. That's 4 people. 1, 2, 3, 4. And Antoinette, who is a pet, so she does not count. Baker Juliette has met Nannette. She knows it is Nannette's first baguette get. So Juliette gets Nannette the best baguette yet. Nannette, did you get the baguette? It smells so good. You bet. The baguette is warm. The baguette smells wonderful. And there sure is a lot of it. Uh-oh, what's she going to do? Krack! The baguette is warm! She has bitten off a chew. The baguette tastes wonderful. And there still is a lot of it. Maybe she should have some more. Krack! The baguette is still warm. The baguette still tastes wonderful. And there still is some of it. Can Nannette stop tasting the baguette? No, not yet. Crack, 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 crack. Oh no, she is chomping and chomping the baguette. Even the crumbs are gone. Baguette. Oh no! There is no more baguette! Nannette begins to fret. Will Mom be upset? Will Mom regret she let Nannette get the baguette? Kaboom! A storm has set. Now Nannette is wet. Wet with no baguette. Oh, this is as bad as it can get. Nannette wishes Mom had never let Nannette get that baguette. Maybe Nannette will move to Tibet. Tibet would be a far, far away journey. Tibet is as far away as you can get. Nannette would need a jet. Can Nannette go home instead? Can Nannette face her mom? What will she do? Where is the baguette, Nannette? Asks Mom. Did you forget? There's Nannette's mom and daddy on their wedding day. Her daddy really looks like a frog. Her mommy is a little more cartoony then. And there's a pigeon rides the bus. Walking stick.
Hey, can I drive the bus? Please? Oh, be careful.
Nannette did not forget. Nannette is upset. Nannette is beset with regret. She sweats. I ate the baguette. She is so sad. Oh, sweetie. Mom hugs Nannette. It is warm. It is wonderful. Like a million baguettes. The day's not over yet, Nannette, says Mom. Let's reset. Yes, let's. Baker Juliette is surprised to see Nannette, but not too surprised. Nannette's mom gets another baguette. Now they are all set. Mom, Nannette, and a baguette. The baguette is warm. The baguette smells wonderful. Krack! Mom! Today is a day Nannette won't soon forget. Nannette's mom eats baguettes too. You're supposed to buy the baguette and get it all the way home before you start chewing on it. But they ate the baguette right there. And so the moral of the story is, if you buy a loaf of bread, try to get all the way home with it, because maybe someone at home would like a slice of bread too. That was Nannette's Baguette, words and pictures by Mo Willems. Thanks for watching.
We do hope you've enjoyed this great, amazing book show, and if you'd like to listen to further titles, please check out our other videos.
Or subscribe and continue to enjoy more of these fascinating stories.